Hey everyone, welcome back to our new Arabic lesson. It's Fatima here, your favorite Arabic teacher. I'm here to teach you Arabic in an easy way. Today we're going to learn essential Arabic sentences that you have to know. So if you're interested in learning Arabic, don't forget to subscribe to your channel. Stay with me and let's start. اسمعني اسمعني listen to me. راجع بعد شوي. راجع بعد شوي. I will be back in a little while. راجع coming back. بعد after. شوي a little while. راجع بعد شوي. وين رايح? وين رايح? Where are you going? وين where? رايح going. We use it to a man. What about a woman? We say وين رايحة? وين رايحة? وين رايح؟ وين رايحة؟ كل شي تمام. كل شي تمام. Or you can say شيء. كل شيء. كل every شي thing. كل شي كل شيء everything. تمام fine good. كل شي تمام. كيف كان يومك؟ كيف كان يومك? How was your day? كيف how كان was يوم day يومك your day. كيف كان يومك؟ عندي سؤال. عندي سؤال. I have a question. عندي I have سؤال a question. عندي سؤال. Now you tell me guys, how do we say I have no questions in Arabic? Tell me in comment section. I'm gonna check your answers. ما عندي فكرة. ما عندي فكرة. I have no idea. ما not or don't. عندي I have. ما عندي I don't have. فكرة an idea. ما عندي فكرة. ممكن تعيد. ممكن تعيد. ممكن means can, could, possible. تعيد repeat. ممكن تعيد. Could you please repeat? Or you can say, can you repeat that? ما فهمت شي. ما فهمت شي. I didn't understand anything. ما not or don't. فهمت I understood. ما فهمت I didn't understand. شي anything something. ما فهمت شي. Okay guys, our lesson has finished. If you have any questions about this lesson, please ask me in comment section. I'm gonna answer all of your questions. Bye!